We read each and every comment, and your kind words truly touch our hearts. Your feedback helps us improve and grow, and we couldn't ask for a more incredible community. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. In this 3 minutes AI tutorial video, I will show you how to create videos using an image. Stay tuned, and you will not be disappointed, I promise. Wait a second. Making such tutorial video takes multiple hours of focus and hard work. Would you be kind enough to like this video? Thanks in advance. We will use a.i.m AI tool in this video. Let's see some final results before we dive into step-by-step process. Your subscriptions mean the world to us. They inspire us to keep creating, to keep exploring new ideas, and to keep delivering the content you love. It's because of you that we're able to pursue our passion and share it with the world. We read each and every comment, and your kind words truly touch our hearts. Your feedback helps us improve and grow, and we couldn't ask for a more incredible community. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We promise not to disappoint you. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our latest videos, tutorials, interviews, or thrilling adventures. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to engage with like-minded individuals who share your interests. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's an absolute thrill to have you here with us today. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our fantastic community. We are genuinely honored to have you on board. Take care, guys. See you soon. New next mind-blowing AI tutorial video. Bye-bye.